Hi guys, I'm just seeing Firework by Katy Perry. Let me know what you think. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? And do you ever feel like so paper thin, like a house of cards, one bubbling caving in? And do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, screaming, no one seems to hear you scream? Do you ever feel there a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, and you just got it tonight, and let it shine, just don't night, like the 4th of July, 'cause baby you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your clothes burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em from there. You have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after hurricane, 'cause a rainbow, all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. We don't know your hand below, and when it's time to go, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. It's a song and then light, like the 4th of July, 'cause baby you're a firework. Okay, sorry, I was doing this 'cause I'm like really kind of bored right now, so I was like, I just better do this just for the fun of it. Sorry, I'm kind of hyper right now. But let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. If you did, if not, guess that's okay. Alright, thanks, bye.